Hi everyone, welcome back. Activity 4 in Module 3, Topic 1, Lesson 3, page 383. This is actually an optional lesson. I want to do one of these with you guys and then let you try to do some of these on your own, but I'm only going to go over one. So it says John, Jacob, Luke, and Andrew each have a number of songs downloaded on their phone. Jacob says, I have twice as many songs as John. Luke says, I have 4 more songs than Jacob. Andrew says, I have 3 times many songs as Luke. So then we have write an algebraic expression that represents the number of songs for each friend. Then write an algebraic expression to describe the total number of songs for the group. So number 1. Let n represent the number of songs that John has. So they didn't give us a column here for John. They should have. So we're just going to write John here. And they're telling us John is n. Okay, so Jacob says, I have twice as many songs as John. So twice as many would be 2 times n. Luke says, I have 4 more songs than Jacob. Well, this is how many Jacob has. Jacob has this, and Luke has 4 more than that. Andrew says, I have 3 times as many songs as Luke. So 3 times this amount. So 3 times as many as Luke. So then the total, we're going to just add these all together. So we'll have the n plus 2n plus 2n plus 4 plus, and we're going to distribute this here. 3 times 2n is 6n, and 3 times 4 is 12. Combining like terms, we're going to look at our n's. So there's 1n, 2n, so it's 3 n's, 5n, that's just a constant, 11n, and we have 4 and 12 as our constants, so 11n plus 16. Okay, and we're going to stop there on that page. Okay, I'm going to let you do the others on that page, and we're going to flip over here and look at Talk the Talk, Math Magic, consider the following number riddle. So I think this is kind of fun. Choose any number, and you can do this as well. I'm going to choose the number, let's see. I'm going to choose the number 10. Then it says add 5. So I have 10 plus 5, which gives me 15. Then it says double the result. So 15 times 2 gives me 30. Then subtract 4. So 30 minus 4 gives me 26. And then divide the result by 2. So 26 divided by 2 equals 13. Now subtract the number you started with. 13 minus, I started with 10, equals 3. Oh, and it says the result is 3. Okay, try that for another number. It says write the corresponding algebraic expressions for each step to show why this number trick works. So if we were to just write it out, choose any number would be x, or whatever variable you want. And then add 5, so x plus 5. Double this result. Then subtract 4. And then it says divide the result by 2. then subtract the number you started with, and it should give us 3. So 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 5 is 10. And minus x equals 3. So if we split these apart into, well, let's combine this first here. So we would have 2x, guess I better go back up over here, 2x plus 6, 10 minus 4, divided by 2 minus x equals 3. So now this I could split apart, 2x over 2 plus 6 over 2 minus x equals 3. That cancels out. I get x plus, this is 3, minus x equals 3. Well, here's a positive x and a negative x, or x minus x is no more x's. We end up with 3 equals 3. And then you're supposed to be able to create your own number trick and show why it works.